Put your thumb. Hi, my name is Avery, and today we are going to do a video how to make a little princess doll skirt. So first, you can take any color Play-Doh you want. I'm just taking that a pinkish color that I mixed up with some purples and some pinks. You're gonna roll that out like this. So you're gonna need a rolling pin, a doll, and 2 circle cutters. You can use a cookie cutter or a little jar thing that's like this. And what you're gonna do now is roll out your plate as much as you can, and you don't want the Play-Doh to be lumpy because it might ruin it. I'm gonna make sure the lines go away. So I'm gonna take this side because it's much. Take your cookie cutter, and then remove the Play-Doh as you get your circle cutter. And what you're going to do with your circle, you're going to flip it over because this is the side you want to use. Take your cookie cutter or a jar, about this big. Gotta get it right there, right in the middle of the plate. And then once you got in the middle, you push your cookie cutter down and take the circle out. You're gonna put that to the side, and then you have to take a knife and just cut it about right there. And now take whatever doll you would like to choose, and you can eyeball it like this. Okay, I'm gonna take my doll, and then you get a little pink skirt. Just like this. I'm going to take it to the back, and then just try to push it down. Don't use a too big jar lid, or it can be a little smaller cookie cutter. Okay, you can just trim the exit, right? You want to pinch it down and use a knife or scissors. And there you go. You got a little doll skirt. This is Avery in my video. Bye.